Welcome to the Crypto News Recap Podcast, your go-to source for all the latest updates in cryptocurrency. Join us as we discuss the most important news, trends, and developments in the world of digital currencies. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast to stay up to date with the latest crypto news. In today's episode, we'll cover Binance and its CEO facing a lawsuit for violating securities laws and traders making high withdrawals, VR cryptocurrency surging due to Apple's VR headset release, El Salvador securing $1 billion for a new Bitcoin mining site, and Atomic Wallet experiencing a weekend hack resulting in $35 million worth of cryptocurrencies being stolen, highlighting ongoing security challenges for crypto wallet providers. Big news coming out of the cryptocurrency world today. The US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, has just filed a lawsuit against Binance, its US arm, and CEO Changpeng Zhao. The lawsuit alleges multiple violations of federal securities laws, accusing Binance of offering unregistered securities in the form of BNB tokens and the Binance-linked BUSD stablecoin. Additionally, the suit claims that Binance violated securities law with its staking service. According to the lawsuit, Binance allowed US individuals to trade on its platform despite claims to the contrary. The exchange also reportedly assisted high-value US customers in circumventing controls, doing so secretly in an attempt to avoid accountability. The SEC further claims that multiple tokens, including native coins for various blockchains and gaming platforms, are all securities. The lawsuit also accuses Binance of commingling and diverting customer funds, with entities controlled by Zhao allegedly receiving nearly $200 million from BAM Trading and a BAM Trading custody account. Zhao himself reportedly received $62.5 million from one of the Binance bank accounts. Interestingly, the SEC lawsuit also reveals some internal struggles at Binance. Reportedly, former US CEO Brian Brooks resigned after just 3 months, claiming he wasn't actually running the company. There were also control issues between US CEOs and Zhao and top Binance officials over US operations. Despite these allegations, Binance has maintained its innocence. In a statement, the exchange called the suit the latest example of regulation by enforcement and stated that it believed the suit was baseless. However, the SEC seeks to halt Binance US, and Zhao from continuing to violate federal laws, disgorge any ill-gotten gains, pay civil penalties, and block them from participating or trading any securities, including crypto asset securities. This news follows similar allegations made by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, in March, accusing Binance and Zhao of offering unregistered crypto derivatives products in the US. We will have to wait and see how this lawsuit unfolds and what impact it may have on the future of Binance and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. The US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filed the lawsuit against Binance and its CEO, Changpeng Zhao, alleging that the company offered unregistered crypto securities to the public and allowed for mixing customer funds. As a result, traders have been withdrawing funds from Binance at the highest level since the March banking crisis. According to blockchain data, around $503 million was withdrawn from the platform on Monday, with traders removing over $1 billion of digital assets during this period. This is set to be the largest daily net outflow since mid-March, when investors expressed concerns about crypto-friendly banks destabilizing crypto exchanges. In fact, data showed Binance recorded $231 million more withdrawals than deposits within a 1-hour period after news of the lawsuit broke. However, it's worth noting that Binance has experienced these kinds of outflows before. In February, the company faced around $830 million in net outflows after New York state regulators clamped down on Binance-related stablecoin bust. Even with the recent outflows, Binance still holds around $55 billion of digital assets in its crypto wallets. The lawsuit alleges that Binance and its CEO violated federal securities laws, and it has put the future of the company into question. We'll have to wait and see how this situation develops and what it means for cryptocurrency traders and investors. It's time to talk about the exciting world of virtual reality within the cryptocurrency market, which has seen a positive growth of over 7.9% in the last 24 hours. And you know what's driving this spike? It's the anticipation for Apple's much-awaited VR headset release. That's right. The metaverse market has recently experienced a downturn, but Apple's entry into this sector has injected a new ray of hope. And the proof is in the pudding. If we look at the past 2 weeks, Apple's stock has grown by a healthy 7.4%. Meanwhile, Decentraland's market cap, the largest VR-related token, is placed just under $1 billion and has risen by 5.4% in the past 24 hours. On the other hand, the wider cryptocurrency market has slumped by 1.5%. Among the VR tokens, the top performer for the day is Wilder World, a five-dimensional metaverse project that has seen a spectacular surge of 18.8% over the past 24 hours. This growth rate contributes to its 119% gain over the past month. Now let's talk about the main catalyst behind this positive trend. According to a Goldman Sachs research report, Apple is one of the two companies leading the developments in the VR and augmented reality field. And the tech giant's mixed reality headset is expected to hit the market in the fourth quarter of this year, as per a recent Morgan Stanley investor note. Despite the overall bearish sentiment of many metaverse assets during the crypto winter season, the recent trend suggests the potential for a reversal. The trading volume for metaverse tokens has risen to $905 million in the past 24 hours, with the overall market cap of the group also jumping to $8.65 billion. So brace yourselves. The VR and cryptocurrency space is looking set for an exciting ride ahead. El Salvador's Volcano Energy has just made a huge stride towards building a massive Bitcoin mining facility in the Metapan region. Thanks to $1 billion in commitments, the company will be constructing a 241 megawatt MW mining site that will be powered by a combination of solar and wind energy. This move by Volcano Energy will produce a total computing power of over 1.3 exahash per second, EHS. It's great to see that the El Salvadoran government will be playing a significant role in planning and executing the project. It will also have a preferred participation equivalent to 23% of revenues, which is excellent news. Outside investors will own 27% of the venture, leaving the remaining 50% of the profits to be reinvested to expand energy production and mining capacities. While previous mining initiatives in El Salvador have focused on geothermal energy potential, it remains to be seen how the new solar and wind energy park will be connected to volcanic activity. The team at Volcano Energy, however, mentioned that this mining site is intended as a pathway to our geothermal future. Exciting news broke when Tether, the issuer of the stablecoin USDT, announced their participation in this groundbreaking initiative. The CTO of Tether, Paulo Arduino, expressed how thrilled the company is to be backing such an innovative project. Tether has been quite busy recently, investing in Bitcoin mining in Uruguay and adding Bitcoin to its reserves backing USDT. It's encouraging to see that mining firms and other organizations are looking for opportunities beyond North America. Latin America and the Middle East are becoming increasingly popular regions for investment, and this announcement underscores that trend. Atomic Wallet is a centralized storage and wallet service that has unfortunately been in the news recently for all the wrong reasons. Over the weekend, Atomic Wallet reported a breach where approximately $35 million worth of various cryptocurrencies were stolen. Yes, you heard that right, $35 million. This includes big names like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Tether, USDT, Dogecoin, Doge, Litecoin, LTC, Binance Coin, BNB, and Polygon, Matic. Now you might be wondering how this happened. Well, the largest portion of the stolen assets were Tron-based USDT, according to on-chain analytics. In a tweet on Monday, Atomic Wallet stated that the breach impacted less than 1% of its monthly active users, and that the last drain transaction occurred on Saturday. That's a bit of a relief for the majority of users, but still concerning nonetheless. Atomic Wallet is currently investigating the incident and have not yet released the specifics of the attacks. Users who were affected by the hack have been asked to submit relevant information on a Google Docs form to assist in the investigation. This latest security incident underlines the ongoing challenges faced by cryptocurrency wallet providers in securing users' assets. This is not the first, nor will it be the last. It's always a good idea to follow best practices for crypto asset security, which include keeping software updated, using hardware wallets for large amounts, and being cautious about phishing attempts. So, if you're a user of Atomic Wallet or any other cryptocurrency wallet provider, make sure you take steps to secure your assets. Stay safe out there. In today's episode, we discuss the SEC lawsuit against Binance, high withdrawals from the exchange, the impact of Apple's VR headset on the VR cryptocurrency market, El Salvador's new solar and wind-powered Bitcoin mining site, and the latest cryptocurrency theft. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe.